Hello there again, future authors. You're watching Genre. The mastery objective: by the end of this video, future authors will be able to explain the term genre and identify how the word will connect to their book. Okay, here we go. Now, in the last video, step 1, we talked about nonfiction and fiction. In this video, we'll discuss the term genre. So, what do I mean when I say the word genre? A book's genre identifies which category or classification of writing the book will be placed. Okay, let's look at the word like this. You're writing a book, or you will be writing a book in the future. So, which category of writing will your book be placed into? Music? What about literature? What about religion? You might say, well, my book doesn't fall into any of those categories. No worries. I just wanted you to have a general idea or understanding of how your book's genre will work. Nonfiction has a variety of genres. Not only does nonfiction books come in different types of genres, but fiction books also include genres. Books like Western novels, science fiction, and romantic novels are all examples of fiction genres. Future authors, in this video, you learned what the word genre meant. You also saw examples of both nonfiction and fiction genres. In the next video, we'll discuss how to unravel your book's title idea. Quick question: do you have a book title idea?